So I have made a full review which is more of a comprehensive list of the pros and cons about the Galaxy Buds, and one of the necessary stuff that you might don't like out of the box is the flat sound quality. In this video I will show you 5 easy steps you really need to do to make these small guys sounds way better, with a warmer bass and clearer sound. The first thing to do is to synchronize the media volume of the buds with your phone, because if not, your phone will have its own volume while the Galaxy Buds will have their own. This way, turning up the phone media volume to the max not only gives you a lower sound for the buds, but they could sound distorted and not well balanced, and that's why you want to synchronize the media volume with the buds. To do so, the Galaxy Buds needs to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Then you need to go to the settings, connections, Bluetooth, then click the 3 dots, hit advanced and activate the media volume sync. This way, controlling volume from your phone or the buds will give you the same results with an optimized experience. You will lose using dual audio when activating this, but of course you can turn it back again whenever you need. The second thing to do is to go to the Galaxy Wearable app, choose your buds, activate this equalizer and keep it on dynamic sound. Other sound profiles are just not good. Dynamic sound will boost the bass, but in a very good way that does not hurt other frequencies. The third step is to adapt the sound to your own ears. If you have a Galaxy device, Samsung actually let you do that based on your age. If you head to the settings, sound and vibration, advanced sound settings, sound quality and effects, scroll down to adapt sound and click it. You can either select your age range or even make your own personalized sound based on your hearing capabilities. In this case, the process will play some different beeps with various frequencies every time and ask you if you are able to hear them. And based on your responses, the equalizer changes its settings automatically. This actually have produced surprisingly good results for me. Try this out and let me know what are your results. The fourth step is an easy one, although not many are using it. It is activating Dolby Atmos. This will give you that extra bass punch and with a more rounded, almost like a 3D sound. Just head to the settings, sound and vibrations, advanced sound settings, sound quality and effects and activate Dolby Atmos. Then you can also enter there and choose the music option. This is in order to get an optimized experience specifically for music. Well, the fifth and final step is an obvious thing, because actually you're not considered to be using the right ear tips and earrings until you try them all. When I have first tried the buds, I thought the pre-installed ones are the perfect size, but after trying the other options, I found that they were not. So go ahead to your Galaxy Buds box and try all the ear tips and find your suitable ones. So guys, try these steps and tell me if they were helpful, because I know they definitely will change how the Galaxy Buds sounds like. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.